Good afternoon, everybody. It's a little chilly here in Connecticut. I am Jeff from JT's Comics and Cards, also JT's Landscaping. I'm starting to thin out what I have around my property. I got a nice Casco 2 sawmill. It's all quarter-inch cast iron steel framing around it. It's a Briggs & Stratton engine. It needs some carburetor work or maybe a new carburetor, but I don't know how to work on it, but that's not really a big deal. It can handle a 16-foot log, 36-inch diameter. All my boards in my house, my trim, flooring, it's all my own boards. I'm selling that for $4,000. It's sturdier than the Wood-Mizer ones, but you have to turn it by hand. It has a motor to go up and down for the height of it, which is great. It's a really good saw. I just don't need it no more. And I have, and this is a real good one, a 2013 Bobcat mini excavator with a hydraulic thumb. It can pick up 3,000 pounds. It's an E35. It's on rubber tracks. I go up and down the road with it. It's just about in brand new condition. Only has 1,099 hours on it. And I'm asking $45,000, which is not a bad deal if you want a nice mini excavator. At the end of this video, I'm going to put pictures on so you can see it. You can message me here, or you can just email me at jeffcomics@yahoo.com. I'm trying to, like I said, I'm thinning out. I want to sell these as soon as I can. Great sawmill and a mini excavator. Let's get on to this channel here for cards, comics, and you name it. Here's a Pez keychain. It's pretty cool. It's different. Action Comics, number 585. Yeah, these are 1987. They're like Bronze Age. X-Men. Of course, the second series. Number 1. I'll be selling these. If you need some, let me know. Deathmate. Pretty cool. Haven't put a video on in probably about a week. I'm sorry about that. I've been really busy. Robin number 3. Another Deathmate. I don't know what I had. I just took a handful of one of my boxes. If you see something interested, let me know. I do ship. Another Deathmate. I take Venmo. Warlock number 5. 1988. Pretty cool. It's black and white. It's neat though. I don't have allergies, but I don't know what it is. Yeah, 1989. Boy, I just had lunch. Another Warlock, number 17. Sonic Disruptor. And number 1. Guy Gardner, number 4. I don't know. Different ones. Timberwolf, number 3, versus Creeper. Pretty neat. Rye and the Future Force, number 9. Another X-Men, number 1. There's like 4 different covers. I got them all. If you're interested, let me know. There's Leon's Auction Gallery this Friday. I might be showing up to it. That's in Jersey City. Superman in Action Comics, number 680. Batman Adventures, number 4. 1993. Some more. Holy smokes. Look at that. I told you I used to buy 10 at a time. Get your bids on. These are all for sale. Pretty cool. The Eternals, king size, giant size, number 1. Another X-Men. Wow. Legionnaires, number 10. Icon. Sanctuary Tommy, number 12. Oh, free comic book day this weekend and Saturday, May 2nd. I'm going to Wonderland Comics in Putnam, Connecticut. I think he says it's close to, I don't know, 50 different titles this time. I'll be going. I'll show you pictures. Hardware. Here we go again, number 14. That's it for now. Like I said, I got thousands more. I'll put some pictures of the Sawmill and the minis. Sawmill's $4,000. The Bobcat minis, $45,000. Have a great day. Until next time, please stay safe. Enjoy. I appreciate it.